am Jayashree Kurup. I'm editor CIDC Nirman, and I have with me Alok Singh. He's from Petropath Fluids India Private Limited. Hi, Alok. Thank you for joining us. Alok, tell us something about the technologies you brought to this exhibition.
Actually, we are into the oil and gas and SD drilling industry, where we are providing the technology for recycling of the mud and the technology to testing, conducting the all kind of testing regarding the mud. So before that, most of the companies depend upon the import of the similar kind of equipment. We are first in India. We having an in-house facility to develop all kind of equipments and including the mud cleaner, cell shaker, descender and complete mud system as well. Apart from that, we are providing the engineering services for also for the same industry along with the oil and gas exploration and production. So here you can see the products, the few of the products which have kept here for the show. So this is a cell shaker which separate the solids from the drilling fluid system. And apart from that, you can see in picture there are many more equipment which is different kinds of applications. So all about our application only the reprocess or recycling of the mud system.
Where are you based?
Our head office is in Bengaluru, and we have 3 factories in Ahmedabad and 1 factory in Durgapur, West Bengal.
How long have you been manufacturing?
We are since last 15 years we are in the same industry, and slowly we developed ourselves to make 100% Make in India products. So as of now, we are very happy to announce that no import from any country we are doing. We are manufacturing all the equipment in our company only.
In the last 15 years, what kind of changes have you seen in technologies?
Yeah, apart from the changes, there was just so many concern about the environmental. So our whole concept is based on that to mitigate or minimize the pollution or other activity while drilling the trench hole or some directional drilling. So whatever the waste generated, we have to recycle it and make it more economical. So day by day, the environmental concern raising. So that's why the technology increasing, and we are happy to serve our country as well.
Any additional policies that you need in this regard?
In this regard, few of the policies we want to emphasize, we want to request to government, like suppose here Indian manufacturing facing a huge challenge with the cost competition with China. So some of the companies getting the loophole, they are getting relaxation in the custom duties and all. So that kind of issue make us more uncomfortable. So we all the time request or raising our concern with government that suppose that filters we are manufacturing and we are manufacturing at less cost of compared to China. Still, China have a benefit of some of the loophole in government policy. They can get relaxed in the custom duty. So now they are our competitor as well. So this is the issue, and otherwise it's okay. And we are completely independent. We have a complete R&D and manufacturing facility in house, and basically our core field is the mud engineering. So we can do easily.
You raise these issues.
So many times.
Any response?
Yeah, it comes, but not exact action not taken so far. Yeah.
All the best. Thank you.